Today we're going to be making some decals using our cricut. This method can be also used for making stencils for painting your RC cars. So we're going to open up our free cricut software. We're going to go to New Project, go to Blank Canvas, and this is where you can make different shapes. You can get different images, paid images. There are free images as well. We're going to go to, on the left hand side, to upload an image. Okay, these are my RC stickers. We are going to go to our, let's choose one here. We'll go to Pandem. Now, you can go to preview the single layer, and it's just all blacked out. So we're going to select the white background, everything that's white, including the inside of the letters, and then we'll go and look at it again. So as you can see, it's very edgy. You can go through and clean it up with your eraser. You select the different sizes, zoom in, and you can go through and just clean it up. This is a lengthy process to do. But if you're taking images online, it's what you have to do. So basically everything that's gray will be cut out. It'll cut around it. It'll go in and cut that, and then you'll have your P's, your A's, your N's, your D's, your E, and M, so on and so forth. That's how we want it. We'll go single layer, upload, and then we have our Pandem. Looks very nice. We put it to the size we want, and then we can cut it. Don't forget, if you are going to use this as a template, to flip it horizontally so it's backwards. So when you stick it on the inside of the body, it'll be the correct way on the outside. We'll move on to the decals that I'm going to put on the Jeep and show you how I get those from the vinyl pad to the Jeep itself. I know this isn't exactly much of a tutorial, but just kind of showing you just a little bit of glimpse into it. Once you start playing around with the software, you'll understand uh, the ins and outs of it. So we have our vinyl decal, and I have peeled off the external layer of it. So now we're just left with the image that we want. I'm going to be using some clean release painter's tape. They make a transfer paper that you can use, and it is reusable, but I'm using what I have, and the painter's tape works great. I will be showing you how to do this on the smaller decal, not the bigger one, but it'll be the same process as with this bigger one. The only reason I'm not going to show with the bigger one is because you'll want to have two hands to hold it so it doesn't curl up on itself. If it curls up on itself, you could get imperfections in the vinyl itself. And I'm going to try to make it as close to the bottom line as possible. And I'm going to overlap. And kind of just push it on there so it's nice and flat. We don't want any bubbles. We're going to smooth it out and make sure it has nice adhesion to the vinyl. Now this can be done with actual automotive vinyl. This is permanent vinyl because it is a work truck, so I'm not going to be removing it and being in fear of it messing up the paint, which it probably will do if I try to remove it off of the body itself. Okay, tricky part. Okay. I'm going to fold over the pieces just to give me a little handle that's not sticky. Same on the other side. And then we're going to hold it down and then peel and peel it back. You gotta be very careful, just like all that. Okay. Now we'll go outside and stick it on the vehicle. Very careful. And push it on. And then peel back at an angle. Then you go ahead and roll it down with your finger.